Okay, it's,
Don't do it!
Don't do what?
I have to, okay? It's time. Okay, I hate dogs.
What?
What? Are you
Crazy!
out of your mind?
Why?
Told you.
They are needy, they are jumpy, and you can't tell what they are thinking, and that scares me a little bit.
You're right, they are scary. Ah, she just ate a treat out of my hand!
Wait a minute. Do you not like all dogs? I mean, not even puppies?
Is there a puppy here?
You don't like puppies?
Okay, you are new.
Look, Chandler, I told you, never tell anyone about this dog thing. It's like Ross not liking ice cream.
You don't like ice cream?
It's too cold!
Okay, just the dogs make me a little uncomfortable. Hurts my teeth. Now, I don't want to say this, I don't want you guys to hate me, but I don't think I can be around that dog anymore, okay? So either the dog goes or I go.